is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
We're going to make some grapevine wreaths. The purple one is the one that says welcome, has the glitter on it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue down my mounting squares. So I just glued my mounting squares on. Okay, so I'm really gonna only need 2 of these because 2 of these really fill up this wreath. So I'm just gonna run these pipe cleaners through my grapevine, if I can find it. I think this is the 14-inch grapevine. So yeah, that's what I did. Always trying to make sure that it's really not too far off the grapevine, so this is actually perfect. Because we're going to add in our 2 stems first, which is this stem right here. Go ahead and just add in our stem. Move those around just a little bit. So, this is really what I want. I am going to zip tie my one branch down, one stem down. What's up, y'all? So y'all are going to see me a little bit more often on the Deco Exchange page. Now that I've got everything figured out over here on my end. I'm going to use this bush that was in the monthly box, which I really, really like this one. So I'm only going to use about half of it in there. Trim that. But, let's make a quick bow real quick. So I'm making a tail, pinching it. Y'all know I make my bows by hand. Pinch and twist. Perfect. You can find the mounting squares at decoexchange.com. I'm going to be stingy with this ribbon because it's pretty. Okay, so this is our bow. Nothing too wild and crazy because I still want to make sure that you can still see a lot of this sign. I'm going to get a pipe cleaner. Yo, I love purple and green together, especially for spring and Easter. If you've ever had a problem with trying to match like a good color for Easter, purple and white and purple and lime green are really good together. Move some of these ribbons around. There we go. So yeah, that's what we have so far. Look how pretty that looks. Zoom in on that real quick. So like I said, purple and green do go good together. We're just gonna go in and start adding in just this. I really don't even know what this is called. I wish I knew what it was called. But it's like a really muted, kind of reminds me of like a sage bush. That's what it reminds me of. So y'all, look how quick and simple that is.